Hey everyone, Sat Shri Akal ji. Welcome back to your English speaking classes. I am sorry, please forgive me. ਇਹ ਸੈਂਟੈਂਸ ਆਪਾਂ ਉਦੋਂ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਜਦੋਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਕੋਈ ਗਲਤੀ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ. This sentence is correct but very basic English. ਅਸੀਂ ਐਡਵਾਂਸ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੋਰ ਕਈ ਅਲਟਰਨੇਟਿਵ ਤੇ ਫਰੇਜ਼ਸ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰਕੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਨੂੰ ਹੋਰ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਨੈਚੁਰਲ ਤੇ ਪ੍ਰੋਫੈਸ਼ਨਲ ਵੇ ਨਾਲ ਬੋਲ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ. Let's explain in this lesson other alternative emphasis instead of saying I am sorry, my mistake to sound our English more natural and professional. In casual and daily routine, we can use phrases like my bad, whoops, that's on me. Brain glitch, let me fix it. I messed up, please forgive me. That was mine. Well, that's a facepalm moment. In some more professional way, or when we say more politely, then we can use my apologies. I acknowledge that error. Let me fix it. I appreciate your patience. I'll correct it. It wasn't my intention to hurt you. I hope these lessons help you learn how to speak these phrases in different situations. Now, practice these phrases and sentences in your daily routine so that you can speak English more natural and confidently. To support me, to motivate me, please like, share, subscribe my channel. Keep practice. See you in next video. Till then, bye.